In this chapter, we will take our AR project online with GitHub. After opening the Your Repositories section, we create a new repository by clicking the New button. At this stage, we need to assign a name to our repository. Once it's named, ensure it's set to public, and then click the Create Repository button. We click on Upload an existing file and upload all the files obtained with the Model Viewer Editor to our repository. To make our repository a shareable link, we click on the Settings tab, then the Pages section, set Branch to Main, and save. To see the shareable link, we need to wait a short while and then refresh the page. When we click on the link, we can view our microwave model online in 3D. If we share this link to mobile devices, it can be viewed in our real environment with AR support. To place our microwave model where we want it, we need to follow the steps shown on our mobile device. You can then rotate the model as you wish and examine it in detail as if it were actually there. Now that you learn how to use AR technology, bring your designed models into the AR environment and enjoy the augmented reality.